Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, November the 5th at Dollar General, and I have one as low as 16 cents per item. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, a couple of quick updates. So on Monday, I did announce the winners of the gift card giveaways. If you have not checked out that video, make sure that you go and do that, because there are 3 winners out there who have not claimed their gift cards. If I do not hear from you within 24 hours, I'm going to close out the giveaway. So make sure that y'all go and check it out. It's going to be linked in the pinned comment down below. And then once you get done with that, make sure that you go back and check out the other 3 videos that I've uploaded this week. So here we have the Dollar General Good Deals and Glitch List. We have a ton of awesome deals going on at DG this week. A lot of good sales and coupon match. And then I also uploaded a video talking about the 2 big sales that we have going on at Dollar General right now. So we have a 3-day sale that will end tomorrow on Saturday. And then we also have a 1-day only sale today, Friday only. They're calling this a pre-holiday event, and there are some really good deals out there. So y'all make sure that you go back and check out that video as well, because as soon as I get this video uploaded, I'm heading out to DG and see which deals I can find. And then yesterday, I also uploaded a video talking about the free Thanksgiving dinner from Walmart and Ibotta. So you guys make sure that you go and check that out. There are some very important updates in that video. Now, the second thing that we need to talk about are our new DG rewards. So we have 5 new DG rewards in the DG app right now. You guys just need to go and open up your wallet and go ahead and add all of those to your accounts. All right, now the third thing that we're going to talk about are a couple of new deals that I have found. So we have the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits at DG for $11.50. You want to pick one of those up, and then you are going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. You're going to get back $3 for purchasing that Essential Mist Starter Kit, and then you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, because right now on Ibotta we have a $5 rebate back on the Essential Mist Starter Kits, so that is going to make your final price just $3.50. Alright, now for the second deal, this is very specific. So you want to pick up the Huggies Little Snugglers Baby Diapers size 1, 32 count at $10.95. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $8.95. Now, you want to make sure that you pick up these exact ones, because this is the only one that I found that are eligible for 2 rebates. So, right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 2,000 point bonus for select varieties of Huggies diapers. So, you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get $2 back. And then, right now on Ibotta, we have a $4 rebate back on the Huggies diapers 32 count or larger. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $4 back, and that's going to make your final price just $2.95. Now, I wanted to share these individual deals with you all because I think either one of these would be absolutely great to throw in with a 5 off $25 scenario for tomorrow. Now, unfortunately, this week I just haven't been feeling very well, so I didn't get to put together as many scenarios as I normally do, but we still have some really great deals. Now, before we get into our 5 off $25 scenarios for this week, I want to make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below, because y'all know it absolutely makes my day to see all of your wonderful smiling faces in the comment section underneath the video. So if you haven't done that already, right now would be the perfect time to do that. And plus, it is a free way that y'all can help support this channel. So if everybody's had enough time, let's go ahead and jump into the deals. So, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each item with your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. And if you all saw that story that I posted last weekend, we all know that the prices on the shelves, sometimes they don't match the actual price in the app. So make sure you have your correct store location set and scan each item. Alright, now first up we have an amazing food deal, and this is probably going to be one that I do myself. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the General Mills cereals. They're on sale 2 for $6. 6 bags of the Bugles for $4. They're on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. 2 of the 32-ounce Clover Valley stocks or broths. Those are on sale 2 for $2. 2 of the Clover Valley canned vegetables. They're on sale 2 for $1. Then you want to pick up 2 bags of the Santia's tortilla chips. They're on sale 2 for $3. 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps. They are on sale 2 for $4. 3 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste at $1 each. 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. And 1 of the Crest with Scope mouthwashes for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 10 General Mills DG Store coupon, the 1 off 2 General Mills cereal, 2 of the 50-cent off 2 Bugles, the 1 off 1 Palmolive dish soap, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $9 for 21 items. But this deal gets even better because then you are going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get back $1 on that second Palmolive dish soap that we picked up. And also right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate when you purchase 2 General Mills cereals. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $1. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to the Fetch Rewards rebate app because we do have bonuses on the General Mills products, which does include the cereal and the Bugles that we picked up. And that is going to make your final price just $7 for 21 items, making each one just 33 cents each. Alright, now for this next scenario, you want to pick up 1 of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. 2 of the Febreze air fresheners priced at $3.25 each. 2 of the Palmolive dish liquids, they are on sale 2 for $4. 1 of the Finish Powerball dishwasher tablets at $3.65. 1 of the Finish Jet Dry rinse aids at $4.75. 2 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste at $1 each. 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. 1 of the Crest with Scope mouthwash for $1. And 1 of the Emergency 2-count for $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $31.40. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze products, the 1 off 1 Palmolive dish soap, the 150 off 1 finished product, the 1 off 1 finished product, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, and the 1 off 1 emergency product. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $11.60 for 12 items. But this deal gets even better because then you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get $1 back on that second Palmolive that we picked up. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get $1.25 back for picking up the Finish Powerball dishwasher tablets. And then we also still have the rebate back for $1.25 on the Finish Jet Dry rinse aids. And that is going to make your final price $8.10 for 12 items, making each one just 67 cents each. Alright, now next up here is our super cheap deal for the week. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits at $11.50. 2 of the Old Spice travel deodorants at $1.25 each. 1 of the Tresemme hair masks at $1. 1 of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter lotions, 2.1 ounces at $3.35. 3 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste at $1 each. 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. 1 of the Vicks 20-count cough drops at $1. And 1 of the Emergency 2-counts at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.35. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 Old Spice deodorant, the 1 off 1 Tresemme product, the 150 off 1 Palmer's lotion, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Vicks product, and the 1 off 1 emergency product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $9.85 for 11 items. But then you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get $3 back for purchasing that Airwick Essential Mist starter kit. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $5 for purchasing the Airwick Essential Mist starter kit. So that is going to make your final price just $1.85 for all 11 items, making each one just 16 cents each. Alright guys, so there you have it for our 5 off $25 scenarios for November the 5th. Now if I come up with any more deals, I will post those in the community tab, so you guys be on the lookout for those. And don't forget to go back and check out all of the previous videos that I've posted so far this week. I will have all of them linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your 5 off $25 scenarios. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend and I will see you on the next one.